We coming up.
Oh, Hannah.
Mechanic shoes or what?
Yeah.
It feels to be back in business, boys. You know what I'm saying?
I actually want to kill this nigga tire
Bothering
rack.
you, like, you guys see that shit?
What?
I
Nah, bro, it's the morning, bro. Damn. We open the package first, dog.
video just fucking started.
That's what I'm saying, fuck. Oh, hell nah. Hurry up,
You
fool.
better go take a piss or what?
Oh, hell nah. Look, open it, open it.
Ew.
Ew. Ew. Whoa, dude. Ya se cree este güey. Ya se cree. Let me show. This one swears. Ew. And that's the extra small size, too. Oh, hell no. What the fuck you have that shit in your sweater for?
I forgot I had it in there.
No wonder you and Yassi got home hella late.
What is this, RCA's?
Wow. I don't even know what that is.
Rose Place Center Adjusters or some shit like that. What the fuck is
I don't actually know what the fuck that is. This is the first part. This is the first part we're doing. If you guys know, if you guys watching know, you guys know. I don't think they know though.
DIESELGEEK.com.
Niggas about to search it up or what?
No. Maybe it said it.
This is the.
I'm confused.
I might as well tell you guys. There should be another part.
Yeah, it's right here.
Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Oh! That's it? No.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Boys, before we start the video, I wanted to take a moment to thank all of you guys. We just made it to 1,400. I don't know if you saw this morning. No, we just got to 1,400 this morning.
It shows that. It shows
really?
That. But we're like 3 away. So
but
subscribe.
Regardless of what we're at, thank you guys so much for like taking the time to subscribe and everything. This wouldn't have been possible without you guys.
It's facts. It's facts.
It's what we've been working towards for a long time, and I'm kind of happy about it.
And before we get into the install, we have something to show you guys. I think you have it, right?
Oh yeah. We've been working on this for a cool minute. Like, we've been wanting to like.
Wait, don't show them this one though. Don't show them this one.
Just drop something for a cool little minute for like the people that really fuck with us.
Pretty much like if you guys wanna support us type shit, you don't have to. Don't feel obligated or nothing. But we just wanted to put some shit out there because we just want to put some shit out there. We came out with
some stickers for you guys. We got some of this monkey's car.
The fast car.
Doesn't even look like it. It's actually it actually come out pretty inaccurate if you think about it. This one looks kind of fast, and I don't know, this one's slow.
The fast car, and then we have Misa's slow little car.
Oh hell nah. And then we have my car.
The one that's gonna get gabbed.
It looks better. It looks faster.
Hey, nah. We do have these cool little stickers available. The links are down below already. And the Instagram, I'll pop it up right here too. You know what I'm saying? And then every order will come with an extra sticker. I'm not gonna show you guys, so you guys have to order.
You gotta put like a question mark or something.
Yeah, it's a mystery sticker. It's actually this is my favorite sticker of all the 3. But every order is gonna come with one. So if you guys want to support, go order one. They're pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, I already have it on the card too. I might as well show you guys. I'm not gonna show you the mystery one though. But look, I have this one right here. And then I have Misa's over here on this side. They came out pretty cool. But if you guys want, link down below.
What are you talking about? This new engine? Ow! Fucking sucker, motherfucker, you.
Nigga, you fucking so. Oh, I'm not even in the mood for that right now. I'm actually not even in the mood. Nah, actually.
Hey, he's not even in the mood for that, bro.
Hey,
he's not in the mood. Hey, bro, he's not in the mood. Hey, that's not even cool.
That shit hurt, and that shit hurt. You know what I mean?
It's just least to me.
Boxing match today, man. Nah, just kidding. I'm gonna take my sweater off because I'm gonna kill you. Oh.
That shit hurt him more than it hurt you. This nigga liked it. This nigga liked it instead
Your
of.
ass is hard, man.
That's not what she said.
Your ass is like a.
Oh, hell nah. This nigga's fucking, her girl's grabbing his ass already. Oh, hell nah.
That shit felt good though.
Let me just show you guys how the shifter, like it feels like. It honestly doesn't feel too bad, to be honest. I don't know, hold up. And then, let's see, how do we measure the throw? Look, all we're gonna do, 10mm, put it up to the AC. Oh shit. All right, and then look, this is neutral. First gear, this is not professional, boys. And look, it goes past it. It goes past it for second gear. And then for third, fourth, it goes past it. Fifth, all over there. We're gonna see how much like the short shifter actually improves once we put it on and everything. And it feels all right. I want it to feel notchier, And I also wanted to just feel smoother. All right, boys, look, we didn't tell you where I got it. Oh, hell no, I'm gonna kill you, actually. No, I'm kidding. No, this price not that bad. All right, boys, look, we got it from DIESELGEEK.com. If you want to set it up, just set it up. Go on the website. They have really good videos.
One is about fucking Killmonger.
Oh, what if he was a Star-Lord?
Yeah.
I feel like that one I would like, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
No.
What?
Like if he fucking helped Iron Man and shit.
If he helped Iron Man?
Yeah.
With what? His homework? That's not funny.
No.
All right, boys, check it out. Here's the shifter. It actually feels really nice. No, it actually does. But this is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna just put the intake back on, and then we're gonna go for a little test drive. I hope I did it right. I don't know still, so we'll see. And it's a spinny one. The colors are just fucking beautiful. We don't have the thing to show the measurement, but oh shit, you kind of gotta push it in there too. I might have to adjust it right now, but it feels so much. Oh wait, let me see, go. Like put it in gear though. Oh hell no, nigga doesn't. No hell no.
The fuck?
Well, let me see. I don't know even. Honestly, I don't even feel too much shorter of a throw. I'm gonna have to see how it feels on the road. Look here. I feel like I'm missing something, bruh. I don't know what it is though. I don't know what it is. I'm scared to find out.
I can't swing it because you look curious. Misa dijo. What?
No, he said. Nah, that's not what he meant by that.
What do you mean then?
He meant like, oh, why would you want to swing like that type of car?
What type of car is it? What type is it? Put that shit on, yeah?
Hey, yo, it feels kind of weird, bro. I gotta get used to this shit. I don't know if I did it right, to be honest.
How does it feel? Or is it more like you have to drive it enough?
I have to drive a little bit more, I think. But it feels notchier for sure.
It sounds more like you're doing it harder.
Yeah. You have to put a little bit more.
It sounds smooth.
Gas it right here.
Like sideways?
No, like feel it hard like this.
What do you mean?
Like I feel like you can feel the shift, you know, or not?
Or like
Yeah.
that? I don't know. I don't. As a driver, you don't feel it though, you know. Oh, you see, like that one's hard to get into. Wait, hold this. I gotta. Like third gear feels good. Nah, it feels better. Okay, I know the turn. So much better, bro. Like, cause like when you pull it in there, you feel like you put it in there.
Really?
Yeah, it's just like bah. Oh hell yeah, there we go. Oh shit. I don't want my traction light is on though. We'll figure that out. Oh no, that shit feels good. That shit feels good, bro.
Yeah, that move feels sick.
Actually, I'm just I'm fast with the shifts, bruh.
Gas it again.
Loki's not that fast, bruh.
No, it's not, but it feels nice.
Yeah, it feels fun, bruh. I don't know how I'm doing Misa, bruh. Oh, hell no.
You're dead, nigga.
I'm a hot boy. The shifter feels good. It's just you gotta get used to it, low key. And my traction control light came on. I don't know why. If you guys know, let me know down below. I feel like I forgot something, boys. I actually don't even know what though. Oh! Oh, that's what I forgot. That's what I forgot. Should I do it right now?
What, nigga?
The MAF sensor.
Hold up.
Wait, it's green. It's green.
No. Chill. There we go.
Oh, I forgot to connect the MAF sensor. The MAF airflow sensor. Bro, I don't know if that would have been it. Because I barely just put it back on. Probably gotta reset the bitch. No prende? Oh, hell no. I'm a retard, boys. I forgot to connect the MAF sensor. Oh, fuck. Look, it's gone now, though. It's gone. Oh, that had me worried for some reason. Woo. Now the shifts even feel better. Really? I'm just talking shit. Nah, boys, like it's so much better to drive, bro. Like, I'm gonna put all the shit back on. Probably tomorrow, to be honest. Me and Yasser might go on a mission. Yeah? Nah. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Niggas don't want to set me free.
That's illegal. That's a violation, cuz.
I'm a violation. Woo! Me in a car that has can put bucket. What? Very nice. What time is it? It's already 11? Did I miss the drop?
11?
Oh, 54. Should I open the door, yes or no?
Better.
What's that? I had to ask the people.
About what? To let me in?
Yeah.
Fuck you, nigga.
I didn't really measure how much this like throw changed. But honestly, boys, if you guys have a bad feeling shifter, this shit feels so good. Like, it's just, I don't feel too much of a shorter throw personally, but like just the way it feels, I don't care. You know what I mean? Like, it just feels so much better.
Boys, we got pussy yesterday, you know what I'm saying?
I stole the GoPro, bro. I stole y'all niggas. Y'all niggas coming with me to get some water, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, it's kinda I'm scared. What's your fucking drip wire? Just come out of here? Or like a mountain lion or some shit? You know what I'm saying? Those niggas over there. Oh hell nah. I think that nigga just came and re-up on water. Hell, there's a fucking ant. That shit. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. Got y'all niggas though, bruh. Oh my mama, what you scared for, guys? Yeah, it's hella cold too. Like actually hella cold.
I don't believe you, bro.
Oh my goodness. Who's this nigga running?
They're selling out.
Oh hell nah, they got soccer practice with those big ass socks on, nigga.
You try first. Actually, I'll try. If it's hot, I'm gonna cut.
No, it's not. Nigga, I just came back and get it. What?
You can be Kevin. This will be try.
I'll try it.
Are you scared of the? I don't want on the pop. Just put it with your hand. You should hold it with your hand. He doesn't want it to pop. Look at that. Oh, I can. Oh, yes, you can already tell it's cold. Nigga, try to smell it.
Let go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. My turn.
Oh hell no.
Well, that's good. 1, 2, 3. My turn. 1, 2, 3. My turn.
If you guys notice, Missa's missing.
I know, fucking Misa leaves us every week, boys. Y'all gotta start sending Misa some shit. Be like, bro, you leaving, fools? Yeah. Oh my god, how motherfucking sucker, yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You need to get killed, dude.